Well, the lockdown has slowly been eased. With that, the fast food restaurants will be open soon, at least for takeaway. KFC, Burger King, McDonald's, Pret a Manger, coffee shops, takeaway. The conscious universe, conscious world. Well, the takeaway wraps get strewn into the recovered green space of our communities, of our cities, of our villages. Will it get taken over by the winds to the oceans, to the rivers, to the farmland? Our lockdown meant at least the plastic and the trash and litter got reduced, or at least our communal space, our green space, our planet's pure nature was saved for about almost 6 to 8 weeks. With the lockdown easing now here in the UK and elsewhere in the European Union countries, I'm sure the takeaway wraps, the takeaway remnants will be strewn across the communal space, which in turn means the poor litter pickers and the council workers will have to expose themselves to keep picking these things up. Our rivers, our parks, our green space will be inundated with litter. How can we make a conscious world? How can humans live a new, changed world? There won't be, unless individually they take responsibility, become a gentle creature. Is it gentle creature or a conscious human being? Not a compulsive creature. It's just that human being means that we have got this graceful, gentle, conscious way of conducting ourselves. That's all the difference from a monkey to a human being, to a chimpanzee to a human being, is that our compulsions, our reflective instincts can be gently carried out. So when you get your wraps from your takeaway food parcels, be conscious of where you dispose them. Become a responsible citizen. At least we have come forward with a little ease from the lockdown. I'm sure we can take a little ownership of how we conduct ourselves, making changes collectively, making changes in a small ways can have an incredible difference and an impact for the entire living space and for the world we all share and live.